Hi, this is Vikram and Deepti, the first baby, yet to be named, born on the 29th of May at 10:35 p.m. In the room next door. Basically, extremely thankful to Vijaya and the whole support staff. It was, for me personally, I mean, obviously women go through certain experience, but for me it was a very, very different experience. Quite at the time it was quite traumatizing, but luckily because we had attended Lamaze classes, so we were mentally prepared. So that gave us the confidence to go in for a natural birth. We were. So it's like preparing you, like even if the water breaks, you hold on for some time. You don't really necessarily have to go in for a C-section, even though there are family doctors who are pressurizing you. There are other people who you talk to. You read information on the net saying there might be an infection. In her case, we were definitely worried because the water broke early and there were no contractions. But I think it was completely Vijaya's and Crystal's body language and confidence and consistently being on the phone with her late at night or in the evening to keep her going largely actually, and also to keep us going. We're very thankful.
Yeah. So I'm Deepti, like Vikram mentioned, and so I think Lamaze classes basically prepares you for everything that is going to happen during the birth process, right? Right from breathing exercises, relaxation techniques during labor, and the entire labor process itself. You just kind of you know what to expect, and you know how to deal with it at the time. Of course, labor is stressful, but I think what came very handy was the breathing exercises, relaxation techniques. Of course, that is theory. What was the best thing was when I actually decided to deliver at Healthy Mother, and I came in here with an active labor going on. The team here is phenomenal. Vijaya and her group, Crystal, Premlata, Vijaya Kumari. I think each and every contraction I was going through, they were massaging my back, they were, holding my hand, and see, those are the things that helped me. I had 18-hour labor, so 18 hours is a long, really long time, to go through the whole pains. But I could manage it just because of this team. Finally, I think, like Vikram said, my water broke. It was very stressful. Those 4 days were very stressful because everybody said, your water's broken and you're still at home, you're still not delivered. You must show yourself to a doctor. And I've heard that medically, they wouldn't wait for more than 12 hours. But here, we waited for 4 days. And with absolutely no issues. I would come in daily, get monitored. Crystal would check, Vijaya would check, everything was monitored well. Of course, if there was an issue, they would have, done something about it. But thankfully, nothing happened. And I think, so finally it went off very well. I think the one highlight of my labor was when I was kind of giving up, and I said, just do a C-section, it's taking too long. And Vijaya just ignored it. She decided she wants to do a dance with me. She made me do a labor dance, and after that, I think that just lifted up my spirits, And luckily, after that, things kind of took shape, and it was just her words that I kept listening to. She kept guiding me through the whole process. She sat with me where I was. She held my hand. She was with me throughout the last phase, and finally I had my cute baby boy.